Give me your attention. Attention! Yeah, they're always ready.
Good. Now we'd like to begin our day with a warm-up march.
Well, that's no problem for Brandy and Kobe because both of them are South American sea lions. They're not seals. They got these big, powerful front flippers and back flippers that rotate, making moving on land very easy. So come on guys, let's show this crowd how we walk proud. Nice stepping there. Now, let's walk this way.
Great job there, Randy and Kobe. But you know what, folks? There is an animal similar to a sea lion known as the true seal. Seals are great in the water, but on land, they move a little bit funny.
Hey guys, do you want to see their imitation of a seal? Okay, you heard them fellas. Show them a seal. Kobe, come on, show them a seal.
Yes, they feel alright. Now let's show them how a seal walks. Let's see what I need. A little bit funny on land. How about a big round of applause? But to work in the field, they must be strong and physically fit.
That's no problem. Drum roll, please.
That's not bad, Kobe. Not bad, right, Randy?
Not bad. Why? Can Brandy do better?
Of course.